comment. That's so funny. I remember when I was little, I used to like make jokes about saying like, comment, and subscribe. But now it's me. That's me. Hello guys, I just got to the gym and my brother's back there. I am trying to get as much content as I can out now because I just don't know how it's going to be like once I get to school. But I'm going to take you guys through a back and booty day, and you guys really liked the style that I did last video where I kind of voiced over some cues and tips. So I'll be doing that for you guys today. I'm not a pro yet at like back or upper body, but I will give what I can to help you. But I love mixing back and booty because I love to do my sumo deadlifts on back day. And so I'm like, might as well just add a little bit of a booty burner with it. Before I left my house, my Gymshark package came, and so it delayed me like 30 minutes because I got Gymshark socks. Shout out Emily and Charlie for convincing me. So you guys will see those. I have the cutest little Gymshark shirt, and then these green cute ass men's Nike joggers. I put them over my Whitney Simmons shorts because it is cold as hell here. Also, I have my Women's Best pre-workout. This is I think it's like the orange flavor. I definitely don't like it as much as the sour peach candy, so I will be buying the sour peach candy again, but I have to finish this before I buy more because we're not wasting around here. I have my little mask and I'm gonna go in, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. To start out, I'm just going to stretch out my adductors. These are always really tight for me when I'm starting my sumo deads, and then I'm also going to stretch out my hips. Here is my top set of sumo deadlifts. So I did 5 sets today of 4 reps, but I decreased the weight after each set. So in this top set, I noticed that my hips were sinking a little bit too low, so I worked on hip height in my remaining sets. So as you can see, I shoot my arms down at the beginning to help to engage my lats, and as far as setup is concerned, I do as wide of a stance as I can, and I like to point my toes outwards so that I can get as close to the bar as possible. So filming from this angle really helped me to see my improved hip height. So as you can see, my hips aren't shooting up before the bar moves off of the ground. My hips are actually moving with the bar in one fluid movement, and this is exactly what you want. So now we're moving on to a superset. So this is bent over dumbbell rows. Directly after the rows, we're going to move into bent over rear delt flies, and this should burn. Next up, we have lower back extensions. This works both the lower back and the glutes. This workout is mostly back. I don't know why I called it back and booty, but this movement helps to strengthen both. And one thing to ensure is that you're not hyperextending at the top of the movement. Now lastly, we have one of my favorites, which are lat pull downs. So just be sure to lean back and pull the bar down to your upper chest while keeping your lats engaged the entire time, and ensure to keep this movement very controlled. Now on to the best part, we're going to wash our hands and we're going to get that post-workout pump video. My sumo deads weren't moving the way that I was like really wanting them to. I definitely have some form things to adjust with just like my hip height. My brother was there though to kind of correct those things, and yeah, I just want to work on those so that there's no breakdown of form when I do try to max out. But that's normal, and it's normal to not have perfect form all the time, and it's good to notice those mistakes. And so throughout this video I have different angles of me doing the movement so that I could see how my hips moved in each of the angles in each of the sets. And I do think that's important if you are new to deadlifting, to kind of take a lot of videos, at least the first and last set, to see not only fatigue levels, but how the form breaks down, if the form breaks down. Things like that are very, very helpful. I'm sorry I look very rough today. I wasn't even going to film a video, and then I got here and I was like, I might as well film for YouTube. So along with this workout, I filmed a reel, which is like a band only reel. I know a lot of people don't have access to a gym right now, so it's just some banded movements that you can do at home, but obviously weight training is what's going to progressively overload you and help you gain muscle mass. So I'm coming out with a 4-week banded only guide, and then I'm coming out with a 6-week kettlebell / dumbbell guide. And so both of these, obviously, they're not going to make you have a fat, juicy dump truck by the end of it, but it is going to have you, you know, continuing with the muscle memory of these movements so that when you can go to the gym, you already have these movements and the form for these movements down. Also, they keep you active and they keep your muscles awake and they keep your muscles understanding the movements. And there's people, so I'm going to move you guys down here. And lastly, I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the love and support on YouTube so far. I was like really shitting my pants about making YouTube, and I was really nervous about making a YouTube, but you guys already make me feel so accepted. I already have 300 subscribers. Like, that to me is already insane. And then to top that off, I just get a lot of love and support in the comments, and that means a lot to me. And I'm not going to give you guys a set schedule of how often I plan to post, just because like it's unpredictable with college, but I do plan to post hopefully like once a week or once every 2 weeks once I get to school. And I definitely plan to do more college-based content. But yeah, be sure to just let me know what you want to see next. And thank you guys again so much for all the love and support. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Toodles!